Hi, this is Doug Schulte with Select Machining here at IMTS 2024 with the new SORALUCE SAD40. What we're demonstrating here at IMTS is our DAS system and our DWS system. Both technologies developed by SORALUCE for vibration dampening. DAS is the system that handles vibration and chatter, whether it's coming from the machine, the tooling, or the tool holder. DAS, there's two modules. There's one in the side of the ram and one in the top of the ram. These are electromagnetic actuators that monitor the frequency and amplitude of all the vibration and chatter that's developing during the cutting process. And as that chatter starts to develop, the modules will measure the frequency, amplitude, and direction of the harmonic. And the CNC will develop a strategy to eliminate the harmonic and then the vibration. So if it's a low-end vibration, a very low-end, the rumbling you hear from a heavy cutting operation, those modules actually have electromagnetic actuators in them, will start to move at the opposite frequency, amplitude, and direction of the vibration being generated in the machine. If it's high-pitched frequency coming from the tool or the tool holder, we have spindle speed tuning technology and spindle speed variation technology that can also, the control will also prompt the operator for which one of those is the best strategy to eliminate the chatter. So spindle speed tuning will correct from that squalling sound you hear from a cutter as it's milling across the steel part. The control will prompt the operator saying that spindle speed tuning is a good strategy to eliminate that chatter. The operator only has to touch the screen and it'll change the RPM to the proposed RPM by the CNC. If that doesn't work, and if you're milling or turning at RPMs under 2,000, the machine will automatically go into a spindle speed variation mode to oscillate the milling or turning RPM so it doesn't give harmonics the ability to build up. If you're interested in learning more about this machine, please feel free to reach out to your local Select distributor, whether it's Morris, GOSIGER, or HARTWIG, or Arizona CNC, or feel free to contact us here at Select Machining Technologies.